In this video, we're going to talk about the site content behavior reports, starting with the All Pages report. So we're in the All Pages report, and this will actually give us a breakdown of all of the individual pages by URL in our website. So if we actually click this icon right here, it'll open up a window that will then display the website for us to understand contextually this data. So we can better understand, here's the data and here's the associated page with that data. The landing pages report provides a similar framework for us to understand how users are entering our site. So if we go down into the table, we'll then get a breakdown of all the individual landing pages that users are entering our site from, along with another icon that we can open up to understand contextually how that landing page looks compared to the data that we're seeing on screen, to see if we need to make any changes for poor performing landing pages or get ideas from the best performing landing pages. On the flip side of landing pages are exit pages, which are the pages that users leave your site from. So if we go down into our table, we can get an understanding of which are the main pages that users exit our site from. So we see that the home page is a main one, which is understandable, but something like the basket being a high exited page, we may want to open that up to understand if we can make some changes to that page to help that performance and get it down as a better performing exited page.